Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Alexi and this is Soto-Tek. I've been using the Galaxy S21 Ultra for over a week now. The phone came in excellent condition, looking basically brand new. No scratches or micro scratches anywhere. I have enjoyed it more than I thought I would, to be honest. The only thing I'm not really fond of is the width. I would have preferred it a little bit wider like the Note 20 Ultra or even the Pixel 7 Pro, especially if the phone has curved edges. I like big wide phones. It is even slightly narrower than the Galaxy Note 9, but this is just my personal taste and liking. Performance so far has been great. No overheating issues or anything like that. The phone feels smooth and responsive and I use it at 60Hz refresh rate. I haven't noticed any crash or stutters so far. I haven't had time to do lots of intense gaming, so at this point I cannot really give you a definite opinion when it comes to high graphic demanding games. But so far, for the games I play and I've seen people around me playing, it seems to be absolutely fine in general. The stereo sound is good, but not as loud as I thought it would be. The speakers on phones like the S10 5G or the Note 20 Ultra seems to be a little bit louder and better. Battery life has been surprisingly solid, better than I was expecting to be honest. The first 2-3 days it was okay, but it has learned my usage pattern and it has kept improving, and I'm happier now. I'm getting now over 6 hours of screen on time, easily one day and more, and it might get better as it keeps learning my usage pattern. Cameras are solid and versatile as Samsung's cameras are. Pictures and videos are excellent with great video stabilization. Plus, extra features that makes this phone excellent for blogging like Director View and other great features like Pro Picture and Video modes, etc. I only have one big complaint. Like the A53 5G and I think most of Samsung phones released lately, Samsung's music app refuses to play most of my tracks. I think it has to do with Samsung removing support for the WMA format, which is very annoying. I found a workaround and I'm using the VCL app, but it's not the same. The widget doesn't work the same way as with Samsung Music app, sadly. But something is better than nothing. Should I recommend this phone? Absolutely yes. At its current price for something between 500, 600 pounds, euros, or dollars for the 256 GB storage. Mind you, you can even find the 512 GB storage in this price range. It is 100% worth it and I highly recommend it. Of course, always get it from reliable sources. This is a great phone that still holds its own even against more expensive newer releases. It even has S Pen support, though more limited than phones like even the Galaxy Note 9, but something is better than nothing, and you might not be like many Galaxy Note fans, me included, who like to have the S Pen fully integrated with all its great features. Also, it is a shame it doesn't have headphone jack, which I still value a lot. Okay, that's my take and first impressions of the Galaxy S21 Ultra, a phone you should definitely consider now at the end of 2022 and even in 2023. See you in the next one. Hasta la vista.